just want to get it out here in the sun. So you can kind of see the paint. You see it out here in the elements. Looks really good. They definitely took care of that paint. It just pops. Absolutely gorgeous. Now that flickering you see here, that's just in camera, not in person. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. 75,968 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here on these screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. It smells really nice in here. Everything feels super clean. When you turn, the bolsters on your side press into you, keep you kind of planted in the seat. That is really nice. It's automatic, and then they go back to their original spot. Brakes feel solid. Steering's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any shakes or shimmies. Alignment is straight. It was shifting really smooth. Even that slight turn, that bolster kind of pressed into me and then retracted. It was so cool. Just barely getting on it, but it wants to move. Really, really nice. No complaints with the drivability. Right, we're gonna do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now you do have full front clip PPF, full front bumper, headlights, fender flares, this little fender section, including that section, as well as the trim around the windows, the side mirrors, the door cups, and the door edge right here. So scanning through that fender, upper section looks good. You're gonna have some impacts all throughout that PPF there. It's hard to tell what went through the PPF and impacted the paint and what's just like in the film. A little scuff on the film. The rest of that flare looks good here on this wheel. I don't see any curb rash. You do have a little scuff right there. You have film on the side mirrors, small impacts here and there. Then you have film here, like I said, so you're gonna see little impacts around there. Looking at the door. Door looks good. Here on the side step. Some light scuffs. Typical swirls from just kind of everyday washing. You're going to see this area right here has impacts. Looks good. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. The edge of the hood, typical rock impacts. Like I said, with that film, it's hard to tell what went through it and or just when the film was applied. So I'm not seeing anything larger than just those typical little impacts. Like I said, that's covered as well. These are a little larger looking, so I imagine those impacted the paint. You're gonna see bubbles in that film as well, very common. See a little stuff there. Fender looks good. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Now on the face of it, I do see some little scuffs and scratches, probably when they were, you know, doing tire rotations and stuff like that. Looks like whoever did it didn't really pay attention and scuffed up the center. Looks good, nice and clean.
Okay, yeah, we did have one in there.
Doors are looking good. Quarter panel's clean. No rash on that wheel. Got the G550. You do have some little scuffs and scratches on that back bumper. Now we do offer paint correction here in-house, as well as ceramic coating, so you could have this paint corrected and it would look a lot better when it comes to those little minor swirls and scuffs. Otherwise, this looks really good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Now with this gloss black trim, you're gonna see some hazing, a little bit of fingernail scratches when you get close in there. You can see that kind of purple hue, super common though, with that kind of gloss black trim. Little scuffs there. Otherwise, that door panel looks good. That light works amazing. Carpets look good. Typical wear on that bolster, but the cushion is still nice and firm. Overall, the seats look really nice. You got a light scuff right here. Buttons look nice. That looks good. Beautiful screen, goes all the way across. Love that. Vents look amazing here on the upper side of the dash. No complaints there. This is all really, really nice. You can see on the push button start here, you have a little bit of flaws there just from everyday use, but very minimal. The rest of that looks nice. Here on the front right door panel, it's in great condition. Heated cool seats, got the memory. All those buttons look really nice. Got the illuminated trim here. This one does not look like it's working, and this one does. That bolster looks nice. Seats look really good. This side of the console, nice and clean. Glove box area, really light scuff right there. These vents look good. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. Got the sunroof. Here on this panel, you do have some little chips on that lower section and little scuffs on that gloss black. Otherwise looks good. That light works. Here on the seats, those are in great condition. Middle looks good. Seat backs, nice and clean. Looking at this door panel, you do have a little notch out of the leather right there. Some light scuffs and scratches. You have some little scuffs there. And then you have some wrinkles or kind of scuffs in the leather there. You can see some wear in here that's kind of rubbed off. The seat though looks amazing. All of that carpet is in great condition. Same here. Looks really nice. All right, just gonna scan through the engine bay here. Of course, lots of plastic, so not much to see. Everything looks nice and clean. Looks really good. Here on the under hood liner, that's in great condition as well.